our dessert, I'm going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. And it's very simple. You only need a couple of things. So you'll need milk, or you can use half and half if you want. And then you need sugar, vanilla, any kind of topping that you want, and then ice and ice cream salt. So when you're mixing them all together, you're going to want a regular sized sandwich bag. And then you're going to take whatever kind of milk or cream you have, and you want a cup of it, or a little more if you want, but usually just a cup. And that's good enough for me. So then, after you have your milk in there, I usually do about 2 spoonfuls of sugar, because that's what the recipe calls for. So just 1, and 2. And then for the vanilla, you just want 1 teaspoon. So I'm just going to fill up the cap, because I don't usually like a lot of vanilla in mine. Like so. And then you just add in whatever topping you want. And you can either do this before you mix it or after. I like to do it before, because then it mixes in really well. So I'm just going to throw some cinnamon and sugar in my bag. And then you'll seal it up nice and tight. And then you just sort of mush it all together so it gets nice and mixed. And then one of the most important things I think when it comes to ice cream is I always double bag it, because even if it's double sealed, a lot of the times your ice cream might come out salty if you don't double bag it. So I always grab an extra sandwich bag, plop it in there, and then that's all you do to mix it. We'll set that there. And then you'll get a gallon bag, and this is where your ice is going to go. So I've got my ice right there. I'm going to hold this bag again. I'll just dump it in there. Thank you. Alright, so then you're going to fill your bag pretty good. Oops, so you want it about halfway full, and then you're going to take your salt and just make sure it's open properly, and then sprinkle it in. Oop. I usually just do a pretty nice even layer across the top of the ice, and then you take your ice cream, you're going to throw it in the bag, seal it up, and now we're going to go shake it. So, I usually like to go outside when I shake my ice, just because it is going to drip. Usually holes get in the bag, so it's better if you're outside. But you just shake it, and it takes a while, so gotta be a little patient with it. Nice to have a buddy. Yeah. It's only one bag of ice cream.
Are you still shaking?
What?
You're still shaking?
It takes a while, but it's worth it. Ready? Okay, so we shook it, and it took somewhere between maybe 5 minutes. And I ended up taking my second bag off because that was making it take too long of a time. So, if you can, ooh, it's very cold. But if you look right now, you can kind of see that it's like this mushiness, so it's a nice ice cream consistency. So now, all you do is you open it up, and then at this point, if you didn't add your toppings in beforehand, you can add them in now. But other than that, you just take a spoon and eat it. Very good. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.